Yeah.
Go and eat your dinner, Molly. Molly! Come on. Go in and eat your dinner. Eat your dinner, Molly.
Eat your dinner.
She thinks there's something better outside her ear.
I know. Waiting for your gammon steak. That's what she's waiting for. I
Yeah. Gammon steaks, Molly.
know you're videoing because you're shouting.